Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's up. We have a Insta360. I'm not sure what it is. It's the invisible pole selfie stick. The thread here. Put your Insta360 here. Don't think this is. I don't know. Wait, here we go. It's about stiff. Insta360 logo here. Pretty stiff. That's how the new ones are. They're not twisting. They are tension. Okay. Let's go for that. Official Insta360 adapter, but this is a adapter so you can wear it around your waist, and you can just pull on there. That way it shoots from your waist. You don't have to hold anything. So you can angle it any way you want, secure it, and you can put it behind you, in front of you, whichever way your shot you want. That's how you do it. Alright. So if you're interested in this waist action cam holder, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.